Now, let me introduce Professor Adele Santos from MIT to give an opening remark. Thank you.
On behalf of MIT, and as Dean of the School of Architecture and Planning, I'm pleased to welcome you to the 4th Conference of the China Planning Network, the Urban Transportation Congress. I'm proud that MIT has been a core part of the China Planning Network from the beginning. Some entrepreneurial students and faculty have put a lot of energy into this, and they have mostly come from the Department of Urban Studies and Planning of my school. This year we also have faculty from the Media Lab, part of my school as well, Civil Engineering, and the Lab for Environment and Energy. MIT's participation has always been enormous at this Congress, and we continue to do so. At MIT we like to focus on solving the world's great problems, and I think the rapidly changing development context in China, the rise of automobile ownership, the levels of pollution, and the vital role that can be played by urban transportation in building more sustainable environments is certainly one of these challenges. As in the past, this year's Congress will serve as a platform to bring together Eastern and Western academic experts, practitioners from the fields of urban planning, development, and related disciplines to share research and our experience on the ground. Certainly, as has been stated several times this morning, I think already, it has barely begun as a conference, as more of the world's population congregates in urban areas of unprecedented scale and complexity, the rise of the megacity, how people move within and between these agglomerations has enormous implications for long-term economic viability, the environmental impact, energy sustainability, human health at a large scale, and the quality of life for our communities. Well, this is a critical issue for cities globally. China's explosive urban growth definitely offers unprecedented opportunity for implementing innovative policies. You're already doing that. Testing technological advances. I think some of these are taking place. And over 3 days of dialogue and exchange, we'll be presented with cutting-edge thinking on transportation research, technology, and policy, also dealing with the issues of how these affect the planning of urban areas, lifestyle, energy consumption, and the environment. I want to have particular thanks to two organizations that have co-hosted this, the International Conference Center for Science and Technology, and Xinhua News Agency that really helped us make this possible. Also thanks to the Ministry of Construction, to our friends at Tsinghua University with whom we collaborate on many things. And then finally, I do want to give particular thanks to the executive commissioners of the CPN, Zhao Jinghua, Guo Zhan, and Guo Ming, with whom this would never have happened. Enormous energy and enthusiasm, supported by faculty too. And finally, I want to say, this is only 1 hour into this Congress, but it seems there's much agreement on the issues. We seem to speak the same language, but applied research is really needed. And as an institution, we've clearly shown our enthusiasm for the subject matter. We care about the planning in China, and we would certainly like to be part of any future application. So thank you.
Thank you, Professor Santos.